Now we can take a look at converting these components into STLs ready to bring into our slicing software for 3D printing. So first of all, let's start with the phone stand. We're going to come over to the browser, and where we've got our two components there, we'll go with the phone stand, right click on that. Then we're going to come down to where it says Save as Mesh. Left click once. And our toolbox pops up. I want to make sure this is under Export. In terms of object, make sure only that component is selected. Under the format, we want STL, that's the generic import file for slicing softwares. Unit type, this will draw out from the document settings, so millimeters. Then under structure, we just want one file. Let's also have a look at the preview as well. So this will show us the STL format in the case of triangles. And in this particular, as per the refinement settings here, there are about 4,000, almost 4,700 triangles. If we go on the refinement settings, let's just have a quick look at these. So we see that the triangles and the complexities are all around the curvatures. And this is currently set at a refinement of medium. Okay, so if we bump that up to high, we'll see that our triangle count increases to almost 12,000. And you see there's much smaller triangles all around these complex areas here. But judging by this, on a medium setting, and based on the radius of these arcs, these curves, this should come out absolutely perfect on a 3D printer and wouldn't necessarily need to move to high refinement. But if you are looking for that better quality, might be worth jumping into high. And this would also depend on the type of settings that you're using in your slicing software as well. But overall, that's looking nice as an STL. I'm quite happy with that as a mesh preview. We click OK. We can then save that. So I'm going to save that in my project file here and call that mesh STL file. In my project file in the cloud. I'm going to make sure that that's ticked. I don't need to save to my computer, and then just click save. And from there, you can access that file and import that into your slicing software, and then over to you for 3D printing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.